Hi my loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. Today's healing energy transmission is for the integumentary system. This is your skin, your nails and hair. So work with this energy if you have any kind of skin condition. This is not a replacement for Western medicine. I acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine. All you need to do to accept this healing energy is to nod or affirm yes. You can have eyes open or eyes closed. Go ahead and take 3 deep breaths through the nose and out through the mouth. Bring your focus and attention to the largest organ in your body, your skin. And as we begin, just starting to bring your attention to a feeling and the quality of gratitude for this organ, for this protection, for this dermis, the epidermis, the cells that construct and make up the skin. It's the layer, the interface of the internal and the external. It's what interacts with the world. It's what fights infection. It holds your hydration. Yeah, it allows you to excrete toxins and waste. It's this miraculous body part, body function. So we're just bringing some beautiful healing, acknowledgement, appreciation for the skin, for the nails, for the hair. If you have any kind of condition or ailment with this aspect of your physical body, we're just bringing an infusion of love and divine healing energy, appreciation and gratitude for these systems that play. Just notice if there's any kind of self-talk, negative self-talk about any irregularities, any spots, any wrinkles, any disfigurement of the skin, any apalachia, if that's how you pronounce it, of the hair, or any thinning of the hair. Just if you beat yourself up, if there's any kind of negative self-talk about any aspect of you, it is your body. In this regard, we're just going to resolve that, so that what hair you have, what nails you have, what skin you have, what skin you live and breathe in, you can just bring it back to gratitude that you have this at all, right? I'm hearing the thick skin, thin skin, regardless of whether you're armored in some way, very rigid in your thinking, or if you've had to protect and deflect, right, in your lifetime, or if you're very absorbent to energy and you feel like you take on everybody's pain, just to acknowledge where you're at. It's your first line of defense. Well, actually, if you count your energy, it's not such the first line, but first line of the physical defense, And just everything that you project in your relationship to the sun, right? All the things we've been told about the sun and the skin. Just actually acknowledging that your body needs the vitamin D from the sun, right? So a little kiss and a little blessing from the sun is important. And just fine-tuning your sensitivity to your own body's awareness of that absorption of the vitamin D from the sun. And if there's any pathogens that your body's dealing with on the surface, right? Any viruses, any bacteria, just allowing them to be dissolved, to resolve, in balance, so that your skin can breathe. Your skin breathes, you know that? It's porous like a sponge. Feeling any sensitivity there, becoming aware of the energy just outside the layer of your skin, expanding that energy out a little bit so that your sensitivity expands, so long as you're in a safe and nurturing environment. Your skin sensitivity is an important factor to your well-being, right? It heightens your senses, picks up signals in the wind. It's your spidey sense. If something good or something bad is coming your way, that attunement, as you be vigilant, as you be sensitive, as you aware. Look at the throat going there. And just bringing your awareness to the pigment in your skin, acknowledging and appreciating the pigment in your skin, right? Also your protection. All of the little hair follicles. Yeah, as humans, we don't have scales or feathers or fur. We just have a little sprinkle of hairs. But even they have a sensitivity. And if there's any damage to the skin anywhere, just bringing that area of focus, a lot of love, a lot of beautiful healing energy. Breathe that in. Focus this energy right to the area that needs support. And just calling on protection here, protection from external forces, maybe affecting you, maybe affecting your mindset, maybe affecting your ability to self-regulate, maybe distracting you or pulling you off focus, just bringing your focus into the center of your being. Being aware of the sensation of touch. Where is your body making contact with the ground underneath you? Feeling the sensitivity to the clothes that you're wearing. Being mindful of the products that you use. And maybe just considering if there's any chemicals in your products that maybe need to go bye-bye. Skin absorbing any kind of impurities, any chemicals. Just considering that you may want to purify the products that you're working with so that your skin stands a chance to absorb and release, absorb and release, absorb the good things, release the toxins. Any kind of burns or scars, any kind of disfigurement to the skin, just loving on that here and now, just appreciating having compassion, any kind of disfigurement to the skin. The scars showing signs of the life you've lived, that you've survived. Yeah. The knotted tissue in a scar, just giving that a little extra love. Bang! Affirmation from the door and the wind. The scars that we've endured some hardship, that we've survived some experience, whether it's a laceration or a surgery or any kind of cutting, any kind of snagging, any kind of scratches, any kind of, anything where the skin has had to process, release, whether it's rashes or bites, the skin just puts up with a lot. Yeah, it puts up with a lot. And now just bringing that really beautiful fine-tuning sensitivity to the deliciousness of touch. And even if you're sensitive and don't like being physically touched, just allowing yourself to settle and be grateful for the kinesthetic ability to feel. Yeah. The sense of touch. Gratitude. Just feeling a balancing here of the ability to regulate your temperature. Thank you to the skin for being able to regulate your internal temperature. With whatever the temperature is outside, your skin has to modify, regulate. Yeah? To keep the body constant, to keep the internal temperature from fluctuating too much. How beautiful is the skin? And if there's societal programming or conditioning around the color of your skin, just to let that dissipate and dissolve. Just to love your skin, no matter the pigmentation, no matter the color. Maybe on another planet you were blue. And if you're aging and your skin is changing shape, just gratitude for the fact that it has held you through this life, all the negative self-talk around how it's wrinkling or folding, just let that go. Let that go. Just like a tree becomes gnarly or knotted as it ages, no longer a sapling. The tree doesn't judge the bark, right? Doesn't judge the way it twists and turns and folds. Have some compassion for yourself as you age. All that mainstream popular culture conditioning that we have to be youthful and beautiful and never age a day, just let all that go. There's so much money invested in this need to look a certain way, right? Go ahead and bring your energy to the skin on your face, your focus. And just feeling the warmth of this energy infusing your face. And gratitude that you have a face. I've met people that have been in car accidents or disfigured or needed facial reconstruction. Brings your attention to the awareness that, wow, that hasn't happened, and I'm so grateful, right? So grateful. Puts everything in perspective. Just focusing on the moisture that comes and goes through the physical body. Maybe you judge yourself for sweating or how you smell. Just releasing all of that. Bringing it back to gratitude for the fact that your body can ebb and flow. That it can release toxins, that it can release waste, that it can cry. Thank you, skin. Thank you, layer of protection. Thank you for encasing this muscle and fibers and nerves and all of these systems that are encased in the skin, held together as a package, right? You're a package deal. You're a package deal. Packaged in skin. Gratitude for the integumentary system. Healing. Thank you, my loves. Anchoring this in with a gong.